Hello, everyone. Hello, Carlos.
Hello.
We're amazed to be at the DSU Spring 2024, an amazing event for the direct selling industry in which we are learning a lot of topics about direct selling industry.
A lot.
And we have been having like a couple days in this event with all the leaders of the industry. And the first topic we have been talking on is not for this industry, but also for all the industries and the world in general and people. It's AI. AI is taking the world, but in good terms, which is amazing. So, Carlos, what did you learn about?
Oh my God, it's the strongest conversation in every single of the meetings. I think has like three big blocks that we already saw in the first day one that very opened our minds, plus a panel, and then another two presentations. So I think the takeaway is, I think it's two sides of this. One side is as a person, you need to be and embrace this process for sure as a human being. You need to be part of this trend in the world. And I think that's the first takeaway as how can you address as a person at home.
And testing and try it and look for your favorites ones.
Correct. There is a very long list. But it's the other side, which is the corporate side, which has more challenges for sure. And I think one is the concern of the world about all this work change that for sure so many roles will affect it. And I think we need to take this in another perspective is how this process can enhance our work, can enhance our lives. And that's the challenge for every single person. And for sure in the companies to understand in every specific role in the companies, how can you improve their lives, improve their productivity, adding some tools. I think that's one of those chapters. The second one is how to address those productivity projects. And that requires a lot of a knowledge of the tools, try it out, legal, all the concerns of the information, and so on. So that's the more tricky part, and for sure the more challenging one, but that's the way to go. But I think at a user level, there are huge and amazing things.
Right, yeah.
What did you like the most? There is a few tools that we share.
I was going to talk about that. Blake, which is a very excellent, like an excellent conference. He did he shared with us all the main tools that he loves the most for different things that we can use AI. So he basically did a list in which we can find the most well-known ones.
You love the PowerPoint one?
Right?
Oh my God.
That's my favorite.
So
I'm sales, so I love presentations and I love all of that. So we have different tools, like for example Jasper, in which you can take some information through the blogs, which works very good for marketing teams. We have the one that Carlos was talking about, Gamma, which is the one that help you doing amazing presentations for anything. Basically, it has different templates, and with your information, it's going to create your final presentation, which was one of my favorites. And then a lot of more like chat.
The one that I love, that's the one I love.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, because it's so amazing. You can grab any YouTube video, take a look at all the content, and summarize for you. So when you don't have too much time, that's a very nice approach. HeyGen is amazing. We have been using for a while. And in our channel, you can see a lot of different videos about this tool. It's awesome. 11 Labs, how you can use your voice to reproduce tests or use someone else's voice. Very nice. I don't know, it's a very long list.
All right. In terms of translation, they show a lot of tools that they have that are pretty cool. So now you are not struggling with languages or whatever. So that's one of the ones that I love the most.
Actually, a few weeks ago, you was in another event, and I think one of the direct selling companies shared their new project that they have to support all the field and customer support also. outstanding.
Right, and it's like using all AI tools, and it's basically a chatbot in which it will make easier the service to their distributors, which was amazing. And are some examples of how direct selling companies can use AI and all these tools we have for enhance their processes.
Actually, in S4D, as you know, we have been working for the last 2 years hardly, and we have in February we already succeeded in our first 100 features already implemented into the platform. So our chatbot or different parts of the system can improve their work with more than 100 of implementations. So we're very happy about that.
If you want to try it, just let us know and we can show you something about this, which is amazing.
Absolutely. So I think it's a very good summary of one of the chapters that we love the most in these couple of days. There are more content to come, so thank you so much.
Thank you.